Next point, equation of motion using graphical method. So see here student, Newton studied the motion of an object and gave a set of three equations. These relate the displacement, velocity, acceleration and time of an object moving along the straight line. So equation of motion using graphical method, we have to describe the three equation of motion, the set of three equation of motion given by Newton, and these three equation of motion gives us the relation between displacement, velocity, acceleration and time. So this equation of motion gives us the relation in between these four quantities: displacement, velocity, acceleration and time. So see here, suppose an object is in motion along a straight line with initial velocity u. It attains a final velocity v in time t. Due to the acceleration a, its displacement is s. The three equation of motion can be written as the first equation of motion. तर एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो आहे it is in velocity. The object is in velocity. Its initial velocity is given by u, final velocity v and time t. Due to acceleration a, its displacement s. The first equation of motion is v is equal to u plus at. Second is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. These three equation of motion we have to derive by the graphical method. So firstly, see here, equation describing the relation between velocity and time. Equation describing the relation between velocity and time. This is the graph. By this graph we have to derive the equation of motion. First equation of motion, which is the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion which gives the relation between v and t, that means final velocity and time t. Now see here graph. By this graph OE on x-axis it gives time t. OC on y-axis which gives velocity of an object. Here u be the initial velocity, v is the final velocity and t be the time of an object which is having the uniformly accelerated motion. So see here student, OD, here OD, this is the initial velocity of an object. Then from O to C, this is the final velocity of an object. Figure 1.9 shows the changes in velocity with time of a uniformly accelerated object. The object starts from point D in the graph with velocity u. Its velocity keeps increasing and after time t it reaches the point B on the graph. So initial velocity of the object is u is equal to OD and the final velocity of the object v is equal to OC, time t OE. So again see here graph. The object starts with the initial velocity u from point D. So OD is nothing but the initial velocity and it reaches at point B. At point B its velocity becomes v, that means final velocity. So OC gives us final velocity and OD gives us initial velocity. Again, and this is the time. On x-axis OE gives us time required for an object. Now acceleration a is equal to change in the velocity divided by time. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity. So here final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So we have to subtract the OC minus OD, that means final velocity OC minus initial velocity OD divided by time t. OC minus OD, if you observe the paragraph, this graph, then OC minus OD, this OC minus OD, जर या OC मधून या कंप्लीट ओ सीमधून जर हा ओ डी एवढा मायनस केला देन वी गेट ओनली सी डी. सो ओ सी मायनस ओ डी इज नथिंग बट सी डी. सो वी हॅव टू पुट दिस सी डी व्हॅल्यू इन इक्वेशन ओ सी मायनस ओ डी. ओ सी मायनस ओ डीच्या ऐवजी आपण काय ठेवतो इथे सी डी ठेवतो. आणि हा जो टी आहे हा लेफ्ट साईडला जातो. जेव्हा हा टी या लेफ्ट साईडला जातो त्यावेळेस तो काय होतो ए इंटू टी मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये जातो. हिअर गिवन ओ सी मायनस ओ डी इज इक्वल टू सी डी. सो ओ सी मायनस ओ डीच्या ऐवजी आपण काय ठेवतो इथे सी डी. सो सी डी इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू टी. Then draw a line parallel to y-axis passing through B. This will cross the x-axis in E. Draw a line parallel to x-axis passing through D. This will cross the line BE at A from the graph. आता या ठिकाणी काय केले की या y-axisला पॅरलल आपण एक डॉटेड लाईन काढली जी BE आहे आणि परत x-axisला पॅरलल DA ही एक डॉटेड लाईन काढली जी BEला A या पॉईंटला क्रॉस करते. ना अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्राफ काय दिसते आपल्याला की हा जो BE आहे BE इज इक्वल टू काय येते BE इज इक्वल टू BA प्लस AE. ओके, B इज इक्वल टू AB प्लस AE. Then AB plus AE, here AB is equal to CD and A is equal to OD. इथे सांगितलं AB is equal to CD and A is equal to OD. So this AB is replaced by CD and A is replaced by OD. Now see here graph again. AB हा या CD च्या समोर आहे त्याच्यामुळे AB is equal to CD येईल. आणि त्याचबरोबर AE हा ODच्या समोरासमोर आहे. दॅट मीन्स दे आर हॅव्हिंग द सेम लेन. सो AE इज इक्वल टू OD. बट CD इज इक्वल टू A इंटू T. सी हिअर CD इज इक्वल टू A इंटू T. सो फॉर CD वी आर रिप्लेसिंग द व्हॅल्यू AT and OD is small u. OD is small u, that means it is the initial velocity. So what is our equation? If we arrange this equation, v is equal to u plus at. So this is the first equation of motion. So student, we have studied here our first equation of motion given by Newton by graphical method. Then we will study about the second equation of motion in our next video. Thank you.